I would rather own 50% of a good deal than 100% of a bad deal, right? And that's the problem is people are like, I'm gonna do this by myself. And so this lady's running back and forth to the house, doing the repairs herself because her contractor screwed over. She's going back to the house every day. Fix and flip's not for beginners. Actually, I would say fix and flip is for beginners, only if what?
Lipstick fixed?
Here's it. So here's me, it's me. And I'm a brand newbie, new, never done a deal before. I add a house to the equation equals, no, don't do that, okay? But if you take an experienced person and you add them to me and you add them to a house, then it becomes 100% a deal. The problem is this person knows how to manage contractors. This person knows how to raise money. They know how to check ARVs. They know how to sell the property. Like they know all these things. They have all this experience and they have capital and lenders. This person lacks all of that. Like literally, she doesn't have any of this. She doesn't know how to manage contractors. She got screwed. She doesn't know how to get more money. She's lost all the money to the contractor. They don't know if it's even a deal at this point, and she definitely doesn't have a strategy to sell. So if you're that person and you're gonna go and try and flip a house, don't do it. Partner with somebody. I would rather own 50% of a good deal than 100% of a bad deal, right? And that's the problem is people are like, I'm gonna do this by myself. And so this lady's running back and forth to the house, doing the repairs herself because her contractor screwed over. She's going back to the house every day. Why? Because she has no money and she doesn't know how to manage contractors. So it's like, help me. It's like, I did help you. I created a community of people that are experienced that would have done the deal with you, but you got so excited about doing a deal, you just went and did it yourself. So we flip a lot. If you're out there trying to learn how to flip, by the way, is it gross for me to eat beef jerky while I'm doing my YouTube video with you? Eric says no. So description down below, our free Facebook group, you can find other experienced students of mine that will do deals with you. This is the winning formula right here. The other thing I'll give you is I'll give you my calculator to determine how much money you need and what the ARV is and what you need to sell it for to make money on a particular property. That'll be in the description down below too. We'll see you later.